big one. So this is the corner, one of my favorite corners to stand up to plane spot. It's the corner of Westchester Parkway and Sepulveda Boulevard. It's a good corner to get as they come in to fly into what we call runway north. I think it's Tuck 25 north. But it's a great spot. Just so you want to stand, I'm under a tree, I'm in the shade. I actually waiting for somebody to pick me up. But I'm in the shade, grab some pictures, some video of planes going. It's a really good spot. It's near where my mailbox is. It's near the In-N-Out that I go to that's down the street. It has and my other spot that I go to where the planes fly over you. So I'll be doing that at some other time. But I'm here. I get to be relaxed for a second and watch the planes come in. And it's a beautiful day, as you can see. Very clear day. Not too windy. Semi-windy, not too windy. So it's a good day here too for all the aviation and stuff. Over there, that's my mom's house. I'll zoom in. Excuse me. And they're flying on their way to LAX. They're going down there. LAX is down there, you can't see it.